Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nadej if it's your first time here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I got these passion twists. I will be taking you step by step so it'll be easy for you to learn. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. To prep my hair for blow drying, I'm using the Design Essentials Natural Agave and Lavender Blow Dry and Silk Press Collection. So this is a blow dry and styling primer. So now I am parting my hair in sections with a wide tooth comb. And I'm just working this through my hair. This makes my hair really soft, and I'm just priming my hair up. That way I can blow dry. I'm going to comb my hair through the ends first. I like to comb my ends first out very gently, and then I work my way to my roots. And I'm just twisting up my hair. To blow dry my hair, I am using the Red Kiss Detangler 2000 ceramic blow dryer. Today for my passion twist, I am using the Freetress Braid crochet hair, and this is in Bohemian Braid. This is in the color TT27, which is so beautiful. So the hair is really curly, it's really pretty. So I'm so excited. Let's get started. While I'm sectioning my hair, I am using the Design Essentials Anti-Itch Hair and Scalp Treatment. I'm sectioning my hair in two in the front just to make it easier for me when it's time for me to start parting my hair for my twists. I have less hair in my face. I am parting my hair now horizontally and then vertically, creating squares. You can make these squares as big as you want depending how big you want your twist to be. To twist my hair today, I am using Joey Naturals My Gel. I'm applying the gel to the roots of my hair to smooth my roots out. Next, take the rubber band and wrap it around your section until it's nice and secure. I like to part my hair horizontally, make my sections, and continue going to the next row. As you can see, my parting is not perfect, but I've tried my best, and I don't mind it being a little bit on the messier side because I like my passion twists to have that look. Now that I've reached the front of my head, I'm going to show you exactly how I install the twist. I part my hair down the middle and I make sure it's even on both sides, just in case I want to have a side part. Now that I can see my hair, I am parting my hair very neatly in the front. I'm applying the gel to my roots and taking my rubber band and wrapping it securely around my hair. Before you apply the Bohemian hair, you want to run your fingers through it to fluff it up a bit. For each twist, I am using 2 pieces of the hair. If you want larger twists, you could add more hair, but I like my twists to be smaller because I feel like it lasts longer and my hair stays in place. When I put the 2 pieces of hair together, I make sure the outer strands are longer than the middle. That way I could have some length to my twist. You need a crochet hook needle. Insert the crochet needle underneath the rubber band and then open up the latch, put the hair in, close it, and pull the hair through. I am only pulling one side through, and then I will begin to twist. To twist, I am twisting each side in the opposite direction first. After you twist each side, you then combine both of them and start to twist down. While you're twisting, you want to keep on adding more gel. That way, your hair could be twisted neatly. As I twist, I am still turning each side in the opposite direction and then twisting. Make sure you are twisting tightly. So as you can see, when I'm pulling the hair apart, there's no space for it to twist anymore. That means that it's very tight and I'm doing a good job. Now I'm just parting my hair and creating all my sections. I find it easier when I make all my sections first, and then I go back in with the crochet hair. This hairstyle takes me about 5 to 6 hours to do. My hands do not get tired because I am so used to doing it on my own, and I always love to style my own hair. So if it's your first time doing this, I would say just take your time, take your breaks, and you'll get through it. I try to make my sections as neat as possible and even on both sides. I am showing you again how I insert the hair, just in case you missed it the first time. Remember to keep on adding your gel or your favorite twisting product to make sure your twist in your hair is nice and tight. I'm continuing to part my sections, and you will see the end result. So this is my end result. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. My parting is not perfect. It's hard to see the back of your head, so don't worry about that. When it comes time for me to take my hair out, the ends do get a little bit tangled. So what I do is I usually cut the ends and then I just unravel the hair very easily. Of course, I cut where my hair is not reaching, and then I just let it unravel. As far as the rubber band, I just literally take a scissor, pop it, and it just unravels. I don't get any breakage. I did not put my rubber band too tight to begin with because I know I don't keep the style in for like more than like a month or and a half maybe. So I don't need it to be too tight. Personally, with passion twists, I like it to look a little bit messier. These are pretty fresh, so it's a little tight, but after a few days, it's going to be like a little bit fluffier, and I like that look a little bit better. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you beauties next time.